Hey everyone, welcome back to Octa-Core YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to make a custom ROM and we are going to learn how to make a custom ROM basically. So first of all you need a server, basically a powerful server or a powerful PC, at least 32 GB of RAM and at least 300 GB of storage with an Hexa-Core or an Octa-Core processor. The first step is to find a ROM that you want to build, then copy its repo and sync it in the server. The command can be found in the manifest file of that ROM. So let's wait for it to sync. After the ROM is synced or basically downloaded in the server, you also need to download or sync some files, for example kernel, device tree, vendor tree and some other features like display features. I have made a guide about it for Moto J64. You can find your trees in your device group. The guide is mentioned in the pinned comment as well as the description. You can check it out, and I have wrote all the steps required to build a custom ROM for Moto G54 and G64. After syncing all the files, we basically need to modify some of the files, for example adding device specs and maintainer name and other details. After doing all the modifications to the file, we need to cherry pick some of the commits in order to fix bugs or basically avoid bugs. You can simply follow my guide in the description and you will be able to build a ROM for G54 and G64. You basically need to find flags of the ROM you want to build and add that to the ROM files as well. After cherry picking all the commits, we basically need to sign the ROM. We can sign the ROM by their official methods or by using lineage keys. Lineage keys only work in ROMs that are based on Lineage OS. You can find the signing method of a particular ROM in the support group, or you can ask them directly in the support group as well. You can also check their GitHub page. They must have mentioned how to sign the ROM. As you can see, my ROM signing process has started. It may take a few minutes, but be patient and it will succeed. After signing the ROM, the final step is to build the ROM. The building methods or the building commands should be given in the manifest file as well. You can simply copy paste them and change the device name in there. As you can see, my build of Halogen OS has started. If your build fails in the middle, don't panic, just restart it, and if the error occurs again, ask the error in the device group. You can also search the error on the internet and find out if the error is from Google or the ROM source or your device tree. If it's from your device tree, then ask in your device support group, and if it's from the source, then ask from the ROM source developers. So enjoy the ROM building montage. After the ROM has successfully built, you can upload it on GoFile using a GitHub script or basically a shell script that I will pin in the comment and as well as mention in the description. You can also upload all the files and generate initial setup.zip. The initial setup zip file is required only for Moto J54 and J64 devices. You don't need to make that file if you are building for any other device like Xiaomi or any other Moto device. You can simply use the upload script to upload the ROM, boot image, vendor boot image and other images that you may require. You can also cat the SHA-256 file and post it in the group so that users can verify before flashing the ROM. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.